It's Sunday, March 10th at 3:23 in the afternoon, and the dogs and I have come over to Camden Lake Provincial Wildlife Area. It's cloudy, very windy, and 2 degrees. Not the greatest day to be here. Much windier here than I thought it was going to be. There was some wind at home, but not nearly this amount of wind. I assume a cold front's probably come through. They were actually calling for 2 to 4 centimeters of snow this afternoon, but luckily that hasn't happened yet, and I don't think it's going to, but we'll see. Just going to head out on the little point here. It's going to be very windy, so it'll be very noisy on the camera here, but we'll get a nice view of the lake in the March turmoil that's out there. Well, it's very windy and cold out here by the lake. A very stiff breeze coming off the lake and cold at 2 degrees. So there's probably a wind chill of -5 or so, I would say. Just estimating. Probably a 20 to 50 kilometer an hour wind. So we're not going to stay out here by the lake too long. We'll head back. It looked like the trail to the boardwalk's been closed. The boardwalk was not in good shape. We might check that out just to see what it looks like, but we may have to go around the other end to get into the woodland trail. You can see here that the beaver have been busy along this trail. They've been taking a lot of the big cedars down. They've been doing that for the past few years. This is just a short little trail through the woodland out here. We managed to get out here on the east side trail, which you could still go across on the boardwalk there. Quite a bit of deadfall out here from various windstorms, I guess. Can hardly even see the trail over a lot of its course due to fallen wood and flooding and everything else. Not that it's a highly used trail by any means. Somebody built a nice little stick shelter out here.